I'm literally like shaking. Oh my God. Do we actually get to keep this? This was our first time ever flying Emirates First Class, and I was not emotionally prepared. There was a shower, Dom Perignon's finest champagne, real flowers, and an actual bar on the plane. And somehow, this was only the beginning. All started in Milan at the Emirates First in Business Class lounge before our flight to JFK. The lounge was quiet, spotless, and full of delicious Middle Eastern-style food, desserts, and drinks. And the wildest part, we could board our A380 directly from the lounge. Before I knew it, Logie was suited up and it was time to go. This is my first time ever in first class. I have never, ever, ever experienced anything like this in my entire life. Say yes. She said, would you like some of our Dom Perignon? I was like, yes, I would, ma'am. This looks so fancy. Can you imagine me carrying this around Bushwick? Hey, this is all for us. Take that, Lululemon. Feel this. Oh my God, it matches. What did I do to deserve this? I thought when I would come on this flight, I would have like the most sophisticated thing to say, but I have no words to describe how incredible. Are these real flowers? Check this out. Okay, but first a moment for our cute little selfie that Logan and I took together as soon as we boarded. So cute. Let's get to business. Or shall I say, first class? Let me show you these seats because they were giving tiny luxury apartment in the sky. The leather, the champagne colors, the storage everywhere. Everything felt so clean and elegant and yet still so very cozy. Even the seat buckle is gold. And I know I've shown this minibar at least 3 times already, but I'm sorry. A button made it rise out of the seat, so clearly I'm not gonna act normal about it. We were seated on the upper level deck of Emirates Airbus A380, which, as you can see, was incredibly spacious. And this arrow shows exactly where our seats were on the flight. Calm myself down. Oh, thank you. Dude, we're in first. This is what they sing about in the movies. It tastes like air. Automatically closing. I got the orange peel date. You can try half of it. And I got their traditional tea. Tastes like first class. I ever heard this guy up there? He's like sitting up there and he was like, they offered them the date and the tea. And he was like, why would I ever want to drink and eat that when I'm trying to enjoy my Dom Perignon?
Hazelnut option. I think it looks like the best one. It's very fresh. A lot fresher than the ones we've had before. Nice.
I gotta double fist it now because we're taking off. Logan's in his suit. He's suited up. Suited up. He wore his suit and tie just because we're in first class. No other reason. Settling in for nearly 12-hour journey back home, it's now time for my favorite part of any flight, the Amenity kit. Free tote bag. Let's see what's, oh my God. The top. I'm gonna try the perfume really fast. Just wanna see what it smells like. Can you do that on a flight? Did it. Oh. It's good, but it's like a lot. Oh, smell. Lip balm. Is this a pocket mirror? This is the mirror side. It's covered, so you can't see it yet, but look, it's a pocket mirror. Yeah, dude. I did these earlier when I first got on here and I cried because I was like, oh, there's more. God, look at this foldable comb. Obviously, the most intense amenity kit I've ever had on a flight. At least smelling good on the Emirates. Ooh, yeah. I'm not used to perfume. Let's take just a moment for the snacks. Like, landed in my seat, and they're like, here, this is all for you. And I'm like, it's all for me? Okay. Not your average mint. It's a schmint. And then do we get to keep this? I hope so. Definitely an experience I'm going to remember the rest of my life.
We're going to dive into the amenity kit for me now. A side container, 3 holders, and the main compartment. Axe. What's long? It's pretty cool at the top. Has the matching shaving foam, matching Gillette razor. Pretty nice 5-blade. But I shaved in the lounge already. Best bag we've got so far.
Feel it. Yeah, I want the people in the camera to feel it.
Oh man, that sounds great. Oh, I could order food now. For appetizer, we have the traditional Arabic, the meze. And for the main, the pan-fried beef steak.
Would you like to have that medium or well?
Medium, perfect.
There was a shower on an airplane in the air. I can't believe I'm gonna take a shower in the air. I'm nervous and I'm excited, and this bathroom is humongous. This is the largest airplane bathroom I've ever been in. Gonna give you guys a quick tour, obviously. We have a mirror, lots of space, lots of lighting. My amenity bag, of course, is sitting on top of the toilet. There's like everything you could possibly imagine. Body moisturizer, combs, brushes, cotton pads. It's a nice floor, little seat. So I booked the shower. You get about 25 minutes of shower time and you get 5 minutes of water, like running water. You can start and stop it whenever you like. This is a little tour of the bathroom. I'm gonna hurry up and shower because I don't want to waste time. But yeah, I'll let you guys know what it's like. I'm wearing the Emirates pajamas now. This is like luxury pajamas. So tie, little turtleneck. Let me give you guys the full rundown on this. Hey, it's Jess here. If you're enjoying my videos and want to follow along with more of my travels, be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, back to the flight. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
All right, Nina Simone. All right, we have a virgin mojito, some olives. They just started to serve us our meal. I have a salmon tartare. Do you remember that? What's this thing called?
Bread.
Oh, I have so much bread I have to eat. Will you help me? Okay, this man sitting over here, he has the caviar. You can't see him, so it's fine. You see it? I can't zoom in anymore. Look how good this looks. Let me try this. See, the key to traveling with someone else, especially if you're sitting next to them, is never get the same thing, so you can share everything.
Alright, for appetizer, I got the traditional Arabic meze. Alright, don't panic. Very good.
The cod is so good. Get the cod. After dinner, we decided to take a little adventure and explore the plane. We walked back through business class, stopped for some snacks, and headed straight to the bar. Have you ever been on an airplane with a bar? Well, now you can see what it's like. This is crazy. There's a bar back here. They have like cute little desserts. And obviously, we took some pictures because we wanted to remember this moment forever. First bar Emirates experience. On our way back, I want to show you all a quick glimpse of the business class seats. They were honestly so nice too. Then we swung by the snack bar one more time before it was finally time to get some rest.
Good night.
Before we knew it, it was time to wake up and eat some more chocolate, popcorn, and edamame right before landing. Once we got off the plane, we were tired from traveling but so excited to get home. We hopped into an Uber and just like that, it was back to life, back to reality, aka ordering seamless and getting straight into bed to sleep off this jet lag. Thank you all so much for coming along. See you on the next adventure.
Oh my god, this be good. Take that. This be good.
I keep looking in these side things. They're not in the side things. Oh, I found it. It's right here. See, this is why I'm happy I didn't ask. Because they would have been like, you dumb.